Griffey and I'm a dentist in Waco, Texas. I'm here to talk to you about a toothbrush that I really like, the AutoBrush. And this is my 4-year-old's AutoBrush, this is my 6-year-old's AutoBrush. And they have different size heads for different ages. They've got a zebra, they've got a hippo, a lion, and a monkey. Some of the things that I really like about this toothbrush is that for kids who are really stubborn and want to brush their teeth themselves and create such a battle every day with brushing their teeth, this really helps give them a little bit of that control. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this to replace a manual or a regular electric toothbrush if that's been working out for you or for your child, but if you've had such a struggle getting them to brush in the first place, this is a really great option. Another thing that I really like it for is for my special needs patients who have either a developmental disability, autism, sensory processing disorders, adult patients who have arthritis. That's a big struggle for a lot of them to be able to grip a regular toothbrush. And then there's different light options. So we have a blue light right here, and this blue light is intended to kill bacteria. So there's studies out there that show that blue lights can really help disinfect that environment and kill the bacteria in your mouth, and that's bacteria is what cause our cavities. So that's a really important feature. I really like that they've added that. Another one is the red light, and this red light is for promoting gum health, healing, tissue regeneration, all of those good things that we want to be happening in our mouth and in our gums. So they've got those features, and then we have music, and that's one of the things that is what got my kids excited about it and loved it, and it turned from hate brushing his teeth with a normal toothbrush, and now he loves it and he looks forward to it and he dances around while he's brushing. So there's a massage function, there's a deep clean, regular clean, all that kinds of good stuff. So what we do with our auto brushes is we use them in the morning because that's when we struggle the most and just really trying to get out the door. We're kind of rushed. We're more likely to skip brushing our teeth if we feel like we're running late or something like that. But the auto brush only takes 30 seconds. You just put the toothpaste on, put it in your mouth, go side to side. And that's a big thing that I've taught my kids is, and that the manufacturer also recommends, is to move your teeth side to side, because that really makes sure that you get everything clean. Okay, so this is Raleigh, and he's gonna show us how he brushes his teeth with the music. And we go back and forth, and sometimes I have him bite. Can you bite? Yep. The other thing that's important is, regardless of what type of toothbrush you're using, you're going to want to be using floss. And all of my pediatric patients, I always recommend floss picks. They're the easiest thing for them to really grasp and figure out themselves. I mean, you can use the string floss and do that for them, but flossing is actually something that I've found that kids are able to take care of themselves quicker than adequately brushing their teeth, at least with a regular toothbrush. So we always start with floss picks, and this AutoBrush has the cutest little floss picks. They've got these giraffes. My kids just went wild when they saw this. This is kind of a newer thing that they've added. So they have the blue, they have yellow, and they have green. And it comes in this really great, kind of more eco-friendly packaging, which I really love that about them. We want to be doing that at least once a day. No judgment if you do it twice a day, that's even better. But we want to make sure that's part of the routine as well. And this is Pinson, and he's going to show how he flosses his teeth with the little floss picks. We want to get between all of the teeth that are touching, and we want to hear a nice click when it goes in and out. And it takes some practice for kiddos to kind of learn how to do it, but not too bad, not too hard. Can you show the floss pick to the camera? What is it? Can you say what it is?
Giraffe.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yep, those are pretty fun.